Day 7 of trying to solve the Rubik's Cube under 1 minute by the beginner's method. Let's scramble it. Guys, I will be trying this challenge every day until I beat it. If you want to see me doing this, subscribe. Let's start with red first. Red is done. Now the second layer. It has been a week into the challenge and we can already see some progress. Time reveal at the end. Starting the top cross now. Finally the last layer. It took me 1 minute and 25 seconds today. Doing the leftover corners. And the whole cube is done.